Let's go ahead and take a look at a deluxe family veranda room here on the Disney Fantasy. Okay, coming in from the front door, you can see that we have a little hallway here. I'm going to turn to the left, and you can see our toilet room here. It has obviously our toilet, a little sink, a cute mirror. There are some shelves here for all of the toiletries. There's also shelves there on the top and some hooks. Right next door there is the shower room, which there's a nice mirror there, another sink, some extra shelves, your towels, and then we have a round tub with a shower. This will be perfect for the kids, so I'm really glad to see this. There's also a full-length mirror. Across from the bathroom, there is your hanging storage. This is the ladder for the bed. We'll see that later when they come back after dinner and set up their room for sleeping. So a decent amount of storage there on the bottom. And then this cabinet, there's more hangers, another shelf, and some more storage there. There's your safe as well. And then coming into the room, now we have had our luggage delivered, so it's kind of all over the place right now, but I wanted to show you guys the room before we kind of mess it all up. I love the little detail here in the mirror. That's really cool. There are nightstands on either side, and it looks like there is some plugs. But we have our nice queen bed. Underneath is our storage. I have 4 of our 5 checked bags underneath, so there's plenty of storage. There's a curtain there to divide for privacy. Here is our couch that will pull out as a bed. There's another bed that will come out from the ceiling. And then over there is the Murphy bed, because this room can sleep 5 people. A little coffee table. And then this is our little credenza there. Very nice size mirror. There's some drawers on both sides. That looks like our mini fridge. There's more storage here and here. Really nice size, really perfect for you to sit and do all of your makeup. Outside we have a nice little balcony. Right now we're looking at Port Canaveral, but that will be nice once we start to sail away. Nice, well appointed. We'll have to see how the storage holds up for all 5 of us here in this room. It's a little bit less modern than the Wish, but very, very spacious for a cruise. Well, that's going to do it for our room tour of a deluxe family veranda room on the Disney Fantasy. Have you sailed on the Fantasy? We just got here. It's obviously embarkation day, and I can't wait to explore this ship. It has always been talked about as one of the fan favorites among the cruising community here for Disney Cruise Line. Which stateroom have you tried on this ship? Is it the family veranda? Do you like the ocean view? Do you like the inside staterooms with that cool little virtual porthole? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of our Disney travels along the way. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and I'm going to see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.